Hello, Forever family. Can you believe it's March already? The first quarter of the year is almost done, and it seems like Christmas was just 5 minutes ago. We just returned from an exciting Accelerate event in the Dominican Republic, where we had a once-in-a-lifetime tour of the aloe fields and processing facilities. And the takeaways were absolutely invaluable. In fact, the training was so amazing that we are already working to secure dates for February 2024, 2025, and 2026. If you want to join us on this trip of a lifetime, let your country staff know so we can add you to this exclusive list. Congratulations to all of you who have qualified for the Forever Global Rally and Chairman's Bonus Incentives in Bali. Can you believe we're all going to go to Bali together? We're all so excited to experience Indonesia and celebrate. Don't forget, we're almost to the end of our Eagle Manager Incentive for 2022-23. So remember, stay focused, don't give up, keep pushing. So many of our Eagles qualify right at the last moment. So make sure you make those phone calls and connect with those that are helping you get on your journey to become an Eagle Manager in 22-23. Also, our Forever Global Rally 24 incentive is currently running through to the end of December. So make sure that you're hitting your goals to qualify. India is going to be epic. Can you imagine going to India together? I can't wait. Hey, look out for some new rules for the Chairman's Bonus Program. We're making some really cool announcements here pretty quick. So, as I step into this new role after 26 years at Forever, I've been thinking about the journey that we've all been on together. You know, I see the Forever business kind of like a powerful train that's racing across the world. At times, the ride is thrilling as we thunder down steep mountain passes, and other times we slog up battered hillsides or chug along dusty plains. I also see us, the FBO staff, as the crew of that train. We are the drivers, conductors, engineers, mechanics, hosts, cooks, and cleaners that strive tirelessly to ensure that all systems and services remain in ideal working order and that we maintain the invigorating rhythm of momentum. Through cities, towns, and villages we race, picking up and dropping off passengers. Some stay on board and some don't, whether FBO or staff. We wish that everyone would stay, but that would be unrealistic. But most, however, stay and love the journey. Over the last couple years, we've been pulled in so many directions. We had a global pandemic changing our focus and dragging our minds away from growth. But it's time to change that focus back now to that growth mindset, that momentum of keeping this train moving forward with power. Looking ahead, we need to become laser focused on the next destination. We cannot allow ourselves to be distracted by those that want to derail us or slow our progress. Our time is limited and every second counts. So we must now strive to make every single day a success. As Greg said, you are too important and your time is too valuable to waste on things that do not help you grow. So how do we do that? How do we get back to growth and setting an agenda that serves us? We go back to what we've always been taught. We will create a profitable environment where individuals can, with dignity, be what they want to be. Rex and Greg have reiterated and reinforced this since the very beginning. And we've all seen this in practice. So let's get back to solving our problems our way by helping the millions and millions of people that call this train theirs to succeed. It's time to fuel this train with growth-first behavior, introducing new people to the business opportunity, staying 4CC active, using the products, qualifying for our generous incentives, and staying focused on what matters most. So, going forward, could we make every interaction, every conversation, at every level, in every place, be focused on growth and building your business? Don't get distracted by other things. Stay focused. I believe in what we offer and what we present to the world. I hope that you do too. We have a wonderful heritage and legacy. We have a generous marketing plan, powerful product, and millions of people looking for what we have. Some may say this is idealistic, foolhardy, naive, or even unrealistic. To them I say, nothing was ever achieved by those who stayed in the station. Hey, let them sit idly while we thunder on. For whatever it's worth, I believe in you too. You have the power within you to achieve great things, to keep the forever train moving to the next station. It is here where we'll pick up a few more passengers and maybe drop off a few, but we will be staying on the track of growth. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you to our FBOs, customers, suppliers, and staff all over the world. You know, I can't wait to experience the future together as this forever family, as this crew of this train. And you know what? Let's make it completely unrealistic.